So let me show you guys how to download and install Virtual Studio Code in Windows 11. So the same steps applies to Windows 10 as well. So first, open your browser and search for Virtual Studio Code and press enter. So click Virtual Studio Code. From here, click Download for Windows button. So wait for the file to be downloaded. So the download is complete. Right click and click Open to begin the setup process. So license agreement, click I accept and click Next. From here, so the file will get installed in this location, but if you want to change, you can click Browse and select the folder that you want Visual Studio Code to be installed. From there, click Next. So select the Start menu folder, I'll leave it in default and click Next. So select additional task. So I'll let mine to be to create a desktop icon, as well as add open with code and add open with code action to Windows Explorer. So click Next. So ready to install, click Install. So it's preparing to install. So our installation is complete, as well as our desktop shortcut has already been created. So let's check this. Let's launch VS Code. So click Finish. So VS Code is being launched. So let me maximize here. You can see the interface. So for now, I don't want to sign up, so I'll close. So we can test our VS Code. So I'll click on File Explorer and open a file. So let's create a file on my desktop and click. Let's create a new one. So new folder for testing, test, and select the folder. So from here, let's create a file. So test. So click yes, I trust the others. So sorry, so fast. Let's create a file. So test.py Python and press enter. So here, let's print code for open parentheses. So inside hello world. So let's open the terminal. So first you have to install a Python extension. So let's install. Click install. So here is the Python extension. So it's installing. So we have successfully downloaded our Python extension. So let's go back to the code editor. Open terminal, click terminal, and click new terminal. So from here, type Python space test.py and press enter. And you can see that our text has been printed out. So that's how basically to download and install Virtual Code Editor on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.